everyday cooking dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. Today we're doing red rice. Now we got quite a few ingredients, but really not that much. Parboiled rice, tomato paste, we got our vegetables, we got our meat, we got our seasonings. Guys, I'm gonna cut everything up and I'm gonna be right back. Guys, we got our sausage, right? Everything needs to be cut up and ready to go because we're just gonna be pretty much dump and go. We decided to use some bacon, not only for flavor, but for the oil. We got garlic. Guys, I'll have all the measurements below, but we got garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and sugar, right? We got our rice. We already washed the rice. And then here, we got our bell pepper and our onion. So all of that is ready to go. I'm gonna heat up the pot and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're at the pot, right? Pot's just starting to warm up, so I'm gonna go in with the bacon. All right, guys, so we got our bacon, right? Let me turn this pan down a little bit. You know, guys, back in the day, they didn't have onion powder, garlic powder, and all that other stuff. They had salt, pepper, and they would have what, salt fat? You know, bacon, you know, big pieces of bacon. And that's it, that was the seasoning, right? So maybe if you had some sausages, like how we have here, right? Maybe you had a sausage or two, you would throw that in. And guys, this would be a whole meal by itself, right? Just the rice alone. All right, guys, so now we've been going here for a few minutes. We've extracted quite a bit of oil out of there. I don't know if you can see that, right? So that down there is a lot of flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the sausage out of there and the bacon. Now we're going to go in with our onions and bell pepper. I'm on a medium heat, right? All right, guys. The onions started releasing some kind of juice, so we're able to get some of this fond up off the bottom. I was going to put a little water in here, but it doesn't look like I'm going to have to do that. You know, I think I am going to put just a little bit of water. I want to get that fond off the bottom there. Just a little bit of water. Just a little bit, about 3 cups. That's enough. We don't want to leave no flavor behind, right? All right, guys, then we go in with our garlic, right? And guys, I'm going 3 cloves of garlic. And you're gonna give that a nice sort of stir let that sit in there for a few seconds, get that going. All right, guys, and now we're gonna go in with our tomato paste. I'm gonna do basically about, probably start with 1.5 cans. Let's try and cook some of that tomato paste out of there, that tomato pasty taste. All right, guys, it's been like about a minute or so, and now I'm going in with all our seasonings, right? Just go right in. And that sugar to help cut back on some of that tomato pasty taste. Let's get that really incorporated in there, right? Because the rice is going to go inside this, so we want this to be nice and flavored, guys. Guys, so now we're going to go in with our rice. It's 3 cups of rice, right? And we want to coat this rice up with as much as the tomato paste as possible, right? Not gonna just dump it in there. Get all the grains coated. And then back in with our meat. Get all those juices out of there. Give that a nice stir. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in with our water. And we want to cover the rice, right? We just want to cover the rice. Let's give this a stir. Some more water. We might need to add more. That's a full 3 cups right there. All right, guys, I think we're right there. Maybe just a little bit too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for this to kind of come up to a little bit of a boil, and this is going in the oven. All right, guys, I don't know if you could see that, but you see it's starting to boil just a little bit. Right on the sides here. Everything's coming up to temp, so I'm gonna put this in the oven just like this, guys. So this is going in a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. All right, guys, it's been about 35 minutes now, and I didn't open this at all. So it's been about 20-25 minutes now. We're gonna see what this looks like. Should be good. Hopefully, let's give this a nice little toss. Yep, guys, we got red rice. Let's give this a flip. This is what we look like. Let's get this on a plate. All right, guys, so let's get into this. Guys, this is good. A little piece of that bacon, right? Some sausage. Guys, please like and subscribe, right? Guys, this is really good. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's like and subscribe. Get Thank you. Cooking.